Hello everyone, this is me Himanshi Sapra, and here we are going to talk about the impact of COVID-19 on education. A big concern among the COVID-19 pandemic and the ensuing lockdown is education, because it has come to a standstill, whether it is colleges or universities or placements or entrance exams. The situation is so grim that no one actually knows when they will be get to reopen, because this coronavirus shows no signs of abating anytime soon. And as an alternative way of learning, our country's educational ministries have encouraged schools and colleges to use the digital platform to study at home. Though we cannot deny that this will impact our educational system in both ways, either good or bad, let me put the negative scenario of the situation first. Firstly, we will have to have the access of internet for online learning. But how far this will support the greater success and greater access for those who are at the margins, where there is digital illiteracy and no digital infrastructure at all? This will definitely create a digital divide and make them more vulnerable in the society. Also, the teachers will need to have provided with the tablets and laptop and steady connection for this whole exercise. Also, there are some students in the rural areas who don't usually have the smartphones or social media accounts or even email IDs. A total of around 55,619 villages in our country which are without the mobile network coverage, as per the Niti Aayog strategy of New India at the rate 75 report. There are some sociological issues with this, because everyone is not so comfortable with this kind of learning, so it doesn't seem to be a good idea to use the one size fits all approach. Even in the UNESCO report, around 157 crore students around the whole world have been affected from this situation, and if we talk about India, around 32 crore students have been affected, and this effect is at various levels. Now let us talk about the positive side of this pandemic. There will be enhancement of technological and digital skills. It will cost less. It will also save the papers that will eventually protect our environment, and students will get to explore many different kinds of topics. And do you know how this technology is aiding the three aspects of learning, that is information, interaction and self-study? The answer is that Google has revolutionized the access to information, and free apps like Google Classrooms, Skype, Zoom have enabled the teacher-student interaction even more during these times of lockdown. Also, for self-study, the government of India has provided a website like Swayam Prabha. Also, they have given us the access to use their national digital library. The mindset is definitely going to shift after this. It will force our education to rethink all of the things. The faculties, the teachers, they will need to be more adaptive, and infrastructure needs to be more supportive. Maybe we'll end up with a new normal in education that will be something like combination of blended learning, that is offsite and online, if this COVID-19 stays for a longer more time. We will come across the boundaries. Let us hope this pandemic gets eliminated as soon as possible. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.